As of now, we've promised you a seamless integration solution for connecting your Voiceflow agents to social communication channels like WhatsApp and Instagram. Now, the seamless effect hasn't been completely accurate. For now, you still had to go into the Meta Developers platform, create an app, link this app to your WhatsApp business account, make a webhook connection, get your access token, connect it to your FlowBridge, etc., etc. Kind of defeating the object, right? So we went back to the drawing board and tried to figure out how to really make this plug and play. So, announcing now that we have created a Meta Embedding tool, a simple button that gives you the power to literally just log into Facebook, add your WhatsApp account, add your number, and click create. All this within the FlowBridge interface. We are truly excited to make your life as an expert Voiceflow builder as efficient and effective as possible. Stay tuned, we've got a couple of other things going on in the workshop that will make this whole platform completely powerful. So make sure to keep your eyes open on the Discord announcements channel. On there we post weekly updates, weekly announcements, and to just give you a personal touch of what's going on behind the scenes.